This is a very important question based on the spring block system asked by one of my student, where frequency in the question is asked. We know that the time of the system T is equal to 2 pi root over of m by k effective. And the question is, two identical springs of spring constant k are attached horizontally to a uniform rod of length L and mass M. Question is like this. Right? This is a uniform rod. Question is given. Two spring, identical spring of spring factor K are attached horizontally to a uniform rod AB of length L and mass M, and the rod is pivoted at the center, and it is gently pushed. Suppose a disturbance is provided, gently pushed, so that it will oscillate about this hinged point O. Find the frequency of the oscillation in the question. So in what way I will be solving this question? Suppose the rod is pushed this way, making an angle theta. Suppose the rod is pushed this way, making an angle theta. Making an angle theta with the vertical, right? So let the rod is, the new situation of the spring would be like this, and the extension in the spring is x towards right. So the spring force will act this way, that is equivalent to how much? Kx. This way, similarly, the spring will be elongated up to this, and this distance is also x. If this angle theta, this angle is also theta, right? So whenever the rod is pushed this way, then spring force will act this way, and here the spring force will act this way, kx. Alright. So we will be finding first the net restoring torque about this point. So this is my perpendicular distance L by 2. This is L by 2. This is also L by 2. So restoring torque would be equal to how much? R plus F. Any R is nothing but your what? L by 2. L by 2 into your what? Spring force is how much? Kx. Yes or no? So tau about O would be equal to L by 2 Kx. This is what? R plus F anti-clockwise, and this torque would be also, this is R and this is force. So R plus F, this is also anti-clockwise. So net torque would be how much? L by 2 Kx. So this would be equal to 2 L by 2 Kx. 2 to cancel. So this would be equal to L Kx. Net restoring torque about this hinge point. But we know that if we want to convert, if this rod is rotated to make a circle, then what happened? What happened? This would be the what? Arc. This would be the L by 2 be the what? Radius. Yes or no? If this rod is rotated to make a circle, then what happened? This would be your what? Radius. This would be your what? Arc, and this is your what? Angle theta. We know that we know the relation between radius, arc and angle. L is equal to हमें पता होना चाहिए r into theta, where L is the arc, but यहाँ पे arc is how much? X. R is how much? L by 2 into how much? Theta. Right. So the X is replaced by how much? X is replaced by how much? L by 2. So L into X is replaced by how much? L by 2 into theta into how much? K. Yes or no? So this would be equal to L square K theta by how much? 2. This is your what? Net torque. L square K theta by 2. Okay, this would have been again. If anyone want to find, then another method also one can find the value of x. Let this is L by 2. This is L by 2. So L by 2 का इधर वाला कंपोनेंट हो जाएगा कितना? ये कितना हो जाएगा? L by 2 का इधर वाला कंपोनेंट होगा L by 2 cos थीटा और इधर वाला कंपोनेंट हो जाएगा कितना बेटे? L by 2 sin थीटा. ठीक है? L by 2 sin थीटा. So हम देखेंगे तो L by 2 sin थीटा is this much, right? This much is what? L by 2 sin theta. So this is also how much? L by 2 sin theta. Right? This is also how much? L by 2 sin theta. And L by 2 sin theta. L by 2 sin theta. Sin theta is very very small. So this x is nothing but what? L by 2 sin theta is replaced by theta. L by 2 into theta. L by 2 into theta. This way also one can obtain the value. Alright? Okay? So this is how much? Net torque. But we know that tau is equal to how much? Tau is equal to how much? I into alpha. Right? So this is tau not equal to I into alpha. So I into alpha must be equal to how much? L square K theta by how much? 2. So alpha would be equal to how much? L square K theta divided by how much? 2 into how much? I. Yes or no? But I is equal to about this midpoint kitna? ml square by how much? 12. So the expression becomes L square K theta divided by 2 ml square divided by 12. So 12 will be in the numerator. So 2 6 ja L square and L square get cancelled. So this would become how much? K theta upon m. So alpha would be equal to K theta upon how much? 6K theta upon how much? Yeah. So alpha is nothing but what? 6K theta upon m. But we know that alpha is nothing but what? D square theta upon how much? dt square. This is equal to how much? 6K theta upon how much? Yeah. But हमें पता है alpha equal to how much? Omega square into x. If x is the what? Linear displacement. But here displacement is what? Angular. That's why our corresponding equation become alpha equal to omega square into theta. So compare this equation. This is alpha. Omega square is this much into theta. So omega square in the given equation would be how much? Omega square is nothing but 6K by n. So omega would be equal to root over of 6K by n. So omega is nothing but equal 6K upon how much? N. So diameter of the system also we can find. Also we can find the frequency. So omega is equal to 2 pi f. हमें पूछा है frequency. So f is equal to omega upon 2 pi. So this would be equal to how much? 1 by 2 pi. Omega is nothing but root over of 6K by n. This is the correct alternative of the given situation. Okay. So there are different ways we can find. suppose there is a situation given. Suppose this is a spring attached to a block of mass n. This is a rigid support, right? All spring constant are k, correct? This is a support, right? The mass is attached to four spring of identical spring constant k. Whenever the mass is just given a gentle boost, then what happens? The mass will oscillate. Am I right? So find the time period of the system. T. To find the time period of the system, what initiative we have to learn first? First, we have to learn that time period of the system equal to 2 pi root over of how much? M upon k effective, right? But k effective अगर ये ट्रिक्स मैं बताता हूँ आप लोगों को, अगर मास का आमने सामने अगर स्प्रिंग हो, अगर मास का आमने सामने अगर स्प्रिंग हो, तो ऑल आर व्हाट? पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. ऑल आर व्हाट? पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. सो पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में क्या होगा? k इफेक्टिव, k प्लस k प्लस k प्लस k कितना होगा? 4k. 4k is the spring effective. That's why the time period of the system would be equal to how much? 2 pi root over m upon how much? 4k. So there are different questions we will be solving, but it's not possible to record all the questions that we are solving in the classroom. Thank you.